Greetings RC friends, welcome back to Props and Wheels. Yesterday it was very windy and the weather was getting bad. It was starting to rain, so I couldn't fly this little Depron profile plane, but today is much better. I mean, in terms of sunshine it's better. In terms of wind, it's still a little breezy, but I'm going to try it anyway because we have tall grass here. I'm planning to fly over here. I hope I'll be able to keep it there. And if something happens, at least I can ditch it on the tall grass. So wish me luck. I have never flown this before, so it's going to be my first time with this little 3D foam profile plane. So I'm starting at the low rates. I set it to two rates. Let me try to show you. So these are the two low rates and this high rates. I'm going to start at the low rates, which is, I believe I set it to 60%. And I'm almost tempted to throw it with my left hand, but no. Okay, wow, it is lightweight. It is flying though. I don't know how it's going to do against the wind, or actually going downwind. There's plenty of power. Let's see if I can do any hovering with it. No, not really. The wind is pushing it backwards. Okay, now in the bad zone, above the harder ground, but even with that 60% low rates, it is quite quick. Let's try flying upside down again and do like inverted loop. Oh. From time to time, when the wind catches the wind, it just goes crazy. But it is fun. I mean, it is small enough, especially if there wasn't too much wind. I could have flown this probably in the park. So I decreased the throttle quite a bit, and then I'm just trying to fly slowly right now. Trying to figure out what kind of tendency it has. In terms of power to weight, it's pretty good, to tell the truth. I mean, it's a tiny motor, but since it is so lightweight, just turns on a dime. Yeah, wind keeps pushing it back, and I'm not a very good 3D flyer, so trying knife edge. Yeah, it definitely flies knife edge. Gets pushed around quite a bit by the wind, but it is holding its own though. I can definitely use this as a training tool for learning a little bit of 3D. and I'm still not switched to 100% throws yet. And let's see how much difference it's going to make. Hopefully I won't fall on my face. 100% throws. Definitely rotating much quicker, as you can tell. It is a fun little airplane. It is perfect for 20 bucks. It is great fun for 20 bucks. Folks, you don't have to always buy new. You know, sometimes best things are usually used ones and you get a great deal. So, and then you're not afraid of getting a couple scratches on it or crashing. So this is a really great use of a 20 bucks, so I like it. This is going to be my trainer for 3D, definitely, especially when it's not as windy. So I'm back to 60% throws, low rates, and I'm just going to attempt to land it because I'm getting a little tired, to tell you the truth. Sorry about the wind. I mean, look, like, because of the wind, I mean, it's just like almost floating up in the air. All right, gentle landing on the tall grass. I'm really happy. I didn't even have to trim it. It flew kind of through. With all the, you know, physically trimming it. All the surfaces aligned with the horizontal vertical stabilizer with the wing, and it was flying through. Very nice. And that 3-cell 1000 milliampere battery had plenty of juice. I can probably decrease it by smaller batteries, make it a little lighter, and that way it will fly a little slower in calm weather. So I like it. Anyway, this is it. 3D Depron profile airplane for 20 bucks, used, and came with the receiver as well. So I just put the battery and then bound it to my TX16S and flying today. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you like these type of videos where I do flying of old used airplanes, not necessarily just brand new airplanes. When it comes to good deals, I'm a bargain hunter, so I get these kind of things all the time. And I recommend you know, if you are a person who likes new things, try use from time to time. I mean, it's good for the economy buying new things, but use things, you know, you will get out of your buck. So anyway, thank you again for watching. Stay safe and healthy. See you on the next video. Bye bye.